Go. Talk to Grant.
Hi, Grant. Where are you? Anybody there?
Say, why aren't you? What do you want him to do? Go swimming with you?
Yeah. Where are you? We have our pool here. I'm swimming with Caroline and Annie.
Should I go and show him the pool?
Yeah.
Why don't you look at the camera so they can see you? There, now they can see you.
So who matters?
What do you mean it doesn't matter?
Grant wants to go in the pool. Who matters?
Grant isn't even here.
So Grant should.
Yeah, but he's not here.
Yeah, let's go, Spread.
Annie's drowning herself behind the ball.
Right here. I am a yellow skirt Spread. Here! A yellow skirt Spread!
Caroline won't be quiet, will she?
My friend!
Jaden?
The yellow skirt
Caroline's a
Spread.
cuckoo bird, isn't she?
This is what I have been telling you.
Say goodbye to the camera.
This.
Jaden, say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, camera.